I'm handier than I thought I was.
And I'm so proud of us. I'm mostly proud of Brandon. We're Erin and Brandon. Since the beginning of May, we've been chipping away at projects big and small to convert our Ram Promaster into a tiny home on wheels. We hope to be finished with the van build within the next few weeks to then road trip to every national park in the continental United States. But we know we still have a lot of work ahead of us. We went to Lowe's bright and early this morning to get some more supplies that we needed because we are making our cabinets today. I just went inside to get some plates and bowls so we could really measure and customize them to what we need them to be. Brian?
I don't know what you want me to do with them. So we're framing the cabinets today, and we're just trying to decide how far out we want them to come. We know that they're gonna be down to like about here, and so we're thinking we'll come about as far out as we can before hitting the lights so that we maximize our cabinet space. Since we're not putting any upper cabinets on this side, we want to make sure we have plenty of space to store our clothes, kitchen supplies, and whatever else we need to put up here. I think that's good though. Ciao, Craig.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on.
It's going on the inside.
Put me together, take me back where I belong.
Alright, check out the ends.
I want it
Should
all.
line up.
I had a feeling, but the feeling
Does it
is
line up
all
there?
I think this
gone.
one should be, wow, look at that. It's perfect.
Okay.
You
That's
did it
good.
good. Boom, shakalaka. Woo, 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 woo. Hey. Brandon. You got really mad at me that I wanted to put the plates on.
You're literally kidding me right now. Don't leave it there.
It fits.
Yeah, I know it fits. Can you look and see if this is straight?
I just wanted to see if the plates and the bowls would fit.
It's mad. They would fit easily. Alright.
The feeling is all gone. The feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth.
Hey, Brent, are you a lifeguard?
I'm a very dirty lifeguard right now. I'm not actually a lifeguard. I thought we were going to go paddleboarding today, but
Someone's gonna stop him one time and ask him to do CPR.
I'll just say I'm not certified anymore.
Hey, can you come out help me hold something? I just called my sister's boyfriend Paul to come help us. He's in the house right now. Whenever you're at the Lion's Den, you kind of sometimes get roped into some projects. Okay, it hurts when I hold it by myself. Okay, so
We're trying to line it up with this screw hole all the way across. The one where we had taken it out.
It's all
Yeah.
gone. The feeling is all gone. It's all gone. It's all gone. It's all gone.
super solid though.
Yeah, that one is like
I
not
mean,
going anywhere. We'll
this
see. We'll
is
see how this one
amazing.
gets.
My craftsman.
I'm handier than I thought I was. Let's put it that way.
Wow. We'll put a door on it. I mean, obviously it's not going to look like this, but something like this. And then you say, oh, I need my plate and my bowl. Voila! I figured we could build cabinets, but I wasn't sold. This is a straight up customized cabinet to our needs, and I'm so proud of us. I'm mostly proud of Brandon. I'm so happy. I feel like after a while doing a lot of things behind the walls that you can't really see all the progress that we're making, it's really nice to get a big check on something that you could actually see.
It's very visible that we put up the cabinets today, and honestly, I didn't think it would go this well. Like, everybody says, oh, it's really not that bad. And this was the case of, it's really not that bad. I mean, it took a decent part of the day, but we didn't really run into any issues, so.
Knocking on wood.
I mean,
normally there's always something that's going on.
This project's never easy, and I think I've said that before.
Yeah. I'm so happy. So the overalls are back on, and it is actually the 4th of July. I normally wear overalls when I paint, but Brandon and I woke up early this morning to try to get a little bit of work done before we head out to the beach and enjoy the day.
So Erin's gonna paint what we have of the cabinets so far, and I'm gonna work on making the template for the inserts that'll go in between the cabinets. We still don't have the cabinet latches or anything, but we're working on it.
We only have about an hour, so we're gonna try to get as much done as we can.
I made these cutouts to go on either side of the cabinets, and also I made smaller ones to go in the center so that each cabinet is separated in the middle.
First coat of paint is done, and Brandon made all of the dividers, so we are calling it a day for right now so that we could go celebrate.
And your outfit's very fitting for the 4th of July.
I planned it out that way. It is a hot one today. Brandon and I have been working a little bit in the van this morning. He just got back from the store to get a couple of things for the cabinets, and I just finished our second coat of paint. So we're really hoping to finish up the cabinets today, but we always say that we want to finish something and it never happens. We have a little sequence today. First, we jigsaw it, cut it to the right size, check it. If it fits, we bring it over to the router so we make a nice rounded edge to it. Then we take it to the sander, sand it down, then it takes to the painter, paint it up. So there's a lot of steps to it. Hopefully we can get into a rhythm with it, and this could be a fun but semi-easy task. Safety first, then teamwork. Actually, the router, we need teamwork first, probably.
Yeah.
This is my brother's router, and it's pretty old, he said, so we're gonna need 2 people to work it. I think it looks pretty good. Ooh, nice.
So that corner needs to be done.
This one.
All the corners need to be redone except for this one.
This one looks good. This corner looks good. I think they all look really good.
Yeah. See, I learned on that one.
So with the router, what we just did was made these nice rounded edges here. One person has to hold it down and slowly turn as you go over the edges, while the other person actually handles the tool. From here, we'll sand the entire board down and I'll paint it. this dries, Brandon just finished jigsawing, and now we're gonna work on the second one. We've got a nice flow going, so hopefully we can just bang these cabinets out and then show you the finished product.
It's like a childhood dream played out. It's like a big bazooka. Alright, put it over my shoulder.
Wow, you play too much Call of Duty. Close the door! The bee's been in there for like 5 minutes. I'm trying to get it out. Actually, the only thing that's not a lie is that Brandon is a dirty wife.